what do you want again?
Can you spare me a ride?
I guess. Oh my god. Put their face.
This is mud.
Okay, here you go.
Yeah, just keep on driving, and I'll tell you when to stop. Can I, like, count the pennies in your wallet?
This wallet?
Yeah.
I guess.
Thanks.
What do you mean thanks?
You're letting me count the pennies in your wallet.
Really? Okay.
Yeah. Thank you.
Well, I have lots of silly pennies. See, my grandfather, he was a coin collector. Yeah.
Stop. This is my stop.
What? This isn't a house. Hey, where are you going with my wallet? Yo. Oh my god, where? This isn't a house. Did you just hiss at me? You weird creature. Oh my god. I cannot wait to get home and tell Paris Hilton about this.